Alright, welcome to the channel. We got a special project, special guest. He doesn't want to be on the channel, but we're doing it anyways. 22 SS.
23,
23? Baby. Okay. We're doing this thing. MBRP. MBRP, axle back. Oh, it's got these big double wall tips on it. So, right now, first order of business every time you do an exhaust, or at least every time I do an exhaust, we're going to measure how successful we are with a correct exhaust by does it make it louder and does it make it sound better. So here we go. We're going to do, so go to it, come to the side, roughly about 4 feet away from it. So factory from 4 feet away. We hit a max of 81 when it started. Alright, go do a 4,000 rev.
It doesn't like to do that.
Well, whatever it revs to. Two, okay. Alright, 90.7. 91.1. 92.5. Gets louder every time.
That's 3.
Man, that factory rev does not do it.
No, it's not doing it for me. That's why we're here today.
Got noise, but it's not like.
Well, you heard it. I was pinning it. It goes to 3,500 RPMs, and it just stays there. And that's what it sounds like. It just sounds like a fucking lawnmower.
Well, factory. So the last rev was, of course, every time you revved it, it was a little bit louder. So we're 92.5. But anyways, regardless of noise, the quality of the noise sucks. So, all right, let's cut this thing out. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Alright, up on blocks. Even though it is a bolt together kit, we gotta get a sawzall out because it's just an axle back. And look under here, man, it is clean under here. I mean, how do you know there's oil in the diff if it's not leaking? It's crazy. Weird new cars, 2023. I don't know. Never had anything this new. It's crazy they've got these crimps. It's like a flat pancake down here. Both of them that come under the axle. But anyways, so the new one has a slip section on it. So right at the back of this brace or cross member, or I don't know what you would call it. But anyways, that's where your cut line is. So we're going to cut these flush right here and here. This one and that one. Cut them flush. Pull the hangers off and pull this massive muffler out. No, don't get in there. Well, shit, bud.
Well, shit, bud.
She's on.
She's done. She's done.
Snug. There is,
she sounds like here.
They're as even as we could get it.
And yeah, we measured with beer cans.
Yeah, they're probably straighter than this guy, but you know.
It's a Wednesday.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's yank this thing out of the garage, and then we'll turn on the dB meter and see what it sounds like.
You want to hear cold start first?
Yeah, let's get start in the garage. It's gonna be loud.
Puppy, I would move. Poor little ears sitting right there next to it. What are you doing? Bud.
Watch out, bud.
Come on, come on.
All right, sit there. Sit.
Of course.
You gotta honk it 50,000 times again. Jeez, come on.
Yeah.
Sounds a lot better.
Sounds like a
Does it sound better? Oh. All right. Well, that wasn't hard. MBRP says it's about an hour and a half to 2 hour job. I feel like if you're not drinking beer and yelling at each other, it's probably faster than an hour.
Probably an hour, yeah. At most.
Granted, this one doesn't have the active exhaust, so there's not the valve to undo and all that other the other junk. Now it's lively exhaust. Don't need a switch to make it sound better. But anyways, it's really not that loud idling, so that's good. What was that noise? We're gonna go ahead and do another bolt check. And actually tighten that one down.
Yeah, thank you. Want to tighten that? Oh, it might be that shit in the exhaust. The fucking gas burning off.
Oh yeah. Still. I feel like that noise is coming from up more.
What is that?
Oh, that's just the noise of condensation in there. I was thinking there was something leaking.
That's what I'm thinking.
The
Maybe
noise is
something-
coming
Yeah, maybe
in
something's
it.
burning off.
I think it's the sound maybe of just the condensation or something burning off inside of those baffles. But it sounds a lot better. I thought you were going to pull this thing out of here.
Well, you were over there messing with stuff. You wanted to get too hot on you.
That's fine. I got man hands.
Burn your little palms.
I can handle it.
Hey, somebody else do a suit.
Woo! I'll just kick those things out. All right, right there. Set this thing to max.
You know when you're ready.
All right, ready, go. .91.5 on startup. All right. Alright, that's good. So 97.1. That's actually not even that bad.
Well, on startup, at least she sounds more like a V8.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely sounds a lot better. That massive suitcase here.
Yeah.
We're using it as a tool stand. Look, my tool roll is not even as big as this thing. We also don't know what to do with this thing. He's debating leaving it here at my house. I'm debating just strapping it to the roof of the Camaro so he can take these trumpets home. Look at the trumpets. They look better on the car. Now that they're off, they look weird. Anyways, maybe this should be the new YXZ exhaust. I don't know. Maybe.
I think so. I think we got a plan for it.
Okay. Well, anyways, real simple job if you're looking to put an MBRP exhaust axle back on a newer Camaro. Do need a Sawzall. It's really not that bad. There's plenty of room for the slip fittings in there.
Make sure though.
Oh yeah, don't get
Make
along.
sure though, you don't dummy up and get the long one.
Don't get the longest blade you can.
Because it's gonna start smacking shit.
Just get a little 6-inch, so that way you can actually cut it without also slicing your
Suspension
lower
hangers.
control arm bushings.
Yeah.
But anyways, the ramps work good. They lift it just enough to comfortably get on there. You don't even need jacks or anything like that.
No, those were great. Actually, those were really
But-
good. AutoZone, $60.
Yeah. Okay. Well, should we do a test drive?
Of course.
Okay. Well, let's hit a test drive. See you guys on the road. Okay, it's dark. Can't see shit, but maybe you can hear it. Hurry up, car passes.
Lots of popping.
Oh yeah. Take a left at this corner. Yeah. Oh yeah, that sounds good. A lot better. Take a left for that car turn. Right at this sign. Fortunately, there's a car in front of us. Mustang for an axle back, that thing sounds pretty sick.
Yeah. Just the axle.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 those up. Those little baffles inside of it, those actually work.
God, I love that pop.
I'll go left here. Now, unfortunately, we're back in town.
Oh, we're on the shit street too.
Oh, it's not so bad. They paved the back section. This is the one with
Oh
the...
no, we can't even get a high score.
Oh. Shit, there's a car sticking out.
Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Somebody's got issues.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we're back in the city, so no more playing around. Well, in town, off the back roads. But anyways, that's it. That's all you get. Get rowdy. Hammer down. I'll see you on the next one.